Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today I want us to start off with EURUSD. You can see it on my screen already. So on this chart, basically we are having a very good trend line here. You can see that it looks very good. So we have a support here, we have a support here, we have a support. We expect the same place to be a support if the price comes back to it. At the top we have another trend line. So it looks like the price is within a contracting wedge formation where we have a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance below any of these lines. So if the price can break below any of these lines, either the line at the top or the line at the bottom, then that will give us the best place to look for a sell from. So we just want to see what happens. We are watching for a possible bounce from this point to pick a buy position, or a bounce from the line at the top to pick a sell position. But if the price should break above this line, we expect it to continue to the upper side. And in case the price breaks below this lower line, then we expect it to continue downwards, at least up to this point here. So we want to see a break below this point, push price downwards up to this support, where should the price break below it, then we expect it to continue to the lower side. So my next chart is GBPUSD. We have almost a similar shape on GBPUSD. There is also a converging wedge formation. You can see that like this, and then you have a line at the bottom. Doesn't look very good, but if the price breaks below the line at the bottom, which is this lower trend line, then we'll expect it to break below this point here. This we expect the price to break below it to push price even lower. And in case the price breaks above the line at the top, which is this one here, then we'll expect it to continue upwards, at least up to the next line, which is price break above this line, we'll expect it to continue upwards, at least continue much higher. The next instrument is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this chart here, it's within, it's consolidating. You can see that for the past 1-2 days, for the past 2 days, the price is within a similar range. We've not seen a break or a break above or below this range. So we're just waiting to see what happens. If the price should break above this upper line, then we expect it to continue upwards. If the price breaks below this lower line, then we expect it to continue downwards, at least up to this point here. So expect the price to break below this point to push price downwards up to this level here. If the price breaks above the upper line, then we'll expect it to continue upwards. So ultimately, we are looking for price around 1. So if the price ascends and closes above this line, the line we have at the top, then that will be the best place to look for a buy from. My next instrument is the Brent oil. So with the Brent oil so far, we do have also a shape. We do have a developing, expanding range formation. We have that here, and then you have another one. So these are the two lines we're looking at. We're looking at the line at the top, and also the line at the bottom. So if the price continues down and end up breaking below this level here, then we expect downwards and even lower. So that's what we are looking at. On the Brent oil, we're looking for a possible sell. We're looking at the situation where the price may likely extend to the lower side, at least up to this trend line here. So my next chart is the SP500. So on the SP500 so far, we also do have some shape. We have a shape here, and then you have another shape at the top, then you have another. So the price attempted to break above this upper line, but then it ended up below it. So as it is right now, we are looking forward for a sell. We expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this point here. So expect the price to continue to move downwards up to this level here. So we'll expect it to sell off up to this point, where we look for a buy position. We expect the buyers to push us up to this point here. So in case the price breaks below this level, we'll look for a sell position. But if the price goes up and ends up breaking above this line, then that will be the best place to consider looking for a buy position from. So that should be it for that chart. My next chart is gold. So gold, so far gold is upwards. You can see that the price is continuously making higher lows. We had a lower low here, we had a higher low, we had a higher low, we had a higher low, and we have a higher low here. So basically, from what is happening now, we expect the buyers to push price upwards. So we are looking for a buy if the price can come down and touch this line here. If the price comes down and touches this lower line, then this will be the correct place at the same time. So thank you.